Hello guys, Nostalgia Gaming here again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix 99% of the PS Now games on the PS3 emulator. Um, that means is the other percent is the games that are not compatible with the emulator yet. So here's how you're gonna do it. Go into your file explorer, look for Retro Beast D, CoinOps 64, emulators. Yours would look like this. You can click on name right here and it'll open it. It'll be upside down, so like it will start from Z X and then go down the list. You're gonna look for S, PlayStation 3. Find PlayStation right here. rpcs3.exe. Double click that. Let it load the games. If you don't like how this looks, I usually put it to grid and set it to 50%. And it makes it look a little better. If you don't want this to pop up, you just click on here. There you go. Perfect. Then go into your config. And this is what we're gonna change, guys. Pay close attention to all these because these are the settings you're gonna need. So leave everything how it is in this section right here. Go into your GPU, important. Leave it on Vulkan. And here you have your own graphics card. It won't say AMD. Mine say AMD. Keep this on auto and all of these things. But the only thing you're gonna change is your shader quality to high. And then if you have a decent computer, a PC, set it to 1080p, no more than 1080p. If you have a potato computer, set it to 720. Keep it like that. Now, for this, you're going to want to scale it to 100%. Just get the default and it says it is 100%. Keep it at 100%. The resolution threshold, reset that. 16 by 16 default. Keep it like that. Here, right here, before you move it, set it to 50%. Then go back to bilinear. There you go. And then allow this one to be on. And these three, keep it like this. I'm gonna switch to 1080p because my computer is decent. There you go. Go into your advanced tab. Very important on this tab, you want to enable SPU DMA. This just helps the emulator so much more because it is direct memory access. So you want to enable that. And you also want to enable these four right here. That way all the stress and everything is getting taken out of your GPU. If you have a decent computer, GPU. If you don't, either way, you should have for RetroBeast at least a 3070, so it would handle all these perfectly fine. Okay, next thing you want to do is make sure that's 100%. Leave this, it says safe. You want to put this to fast. Set this to fast. Leave this on automatic. Leave this in 1. Make sure this is on 60 hertz and enable be blank. And then hit apply. And hit save. And there you go. That's all you need to fix the games. So I'm gonna try with Hamster Ball because that's the one that was really having issues. I just have to find it right here. Next level. There you go. That's all you need to do to fix your games. Let me show you one more tip. If you go back into your config, go to emulator, you can copy what I have, but you can always start your games in full screen mode. So if you have a problem where you start a game and it's not full screen, this will fix it. Remember to hit apply and save. So close out of these two. Alright guys, so that was it for the video on how to fix your PS3 games to run better. So 720 if you have a potato PC, 1080 if you have a good PC. Do not go over 1080. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, please. That's it. Peace.